Hello guys, welcome back to Share Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to download and install iTunes on your Windows very easily and how to do this up. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to click over here on this PC and you have to right click and you just have to click on properties, and from here you just have to check what kind of a bit is your PC. For example, your Windows, mine is 64-bit and this is what you have to do. Now from here you understood this is 64-bit, sometimes it will be 32-bit also, so you have to check this first. And once after that you just have to open your Google Chrome. You just have to open your Google Chrome and you have to go to Google, just have to go to Chrome. Now from here you just have to follow the next instruction, that is you just have to type here, you just have to search for download iTunes. Just search for it and just click on the first one, download iTunes. And now from here you just have to check, like I mentioned above, you just have to make sure that what kind of Windows you're running on, at what kind of bits you are actually running on. So as you can see, there are options like 32-bit, 64-bit, and there are options for the latest versions also. So mine is 64-bit, so I just have to click on this. I have to click on download icon. So I have to click over here, so that as you can see that the iTunes 64 setup will be downloading over here. So I just have to wait for it, and once after it's been completed, so it is around 192 MB, so you just have to wait for it. And once it is successfully been done, you just have to open this and you have to install the iTunes so that it will be available on your PC. So you just have to wait for it, and once it is done, what you have to do is you just have to open this up. You just have to open this and you just have to click on run option, and you just have to follow the next instruction, and it is very quite simple as usual while installing the normal software. So you just have to go for it and you just have to go for it. So this is what you have to do when it comes to how to download and install iTunes very easily on a Windows 10 PC, and this is what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful, and this is what it's all about it, and that's what it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.